Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Brainsoftbd YouTube channel. Today I want to show how to on maintenance mode on your website. So when you on maintenance mode, you can looking this type of looking. We are coming soon, or you can edit any type of text here. So let's start how to on maintenance mode on your WordPress website. So let's go. So when you on your website maintenance mode, then first log in your website admin panel, your username and password, put in username, password and login. Then need to install a plugins. Let's go in plugins options. So we see together all installed plugins in this website. Here already installed this plugin for maintenance mode. So first we uninstall this plugin because this is already installed. Uninstall and delete. When uninstall and delete this plugin, we can check our website is on regular mode. So our website is active now. So how install these plugins? When install these plugins, add plugins and search here maintenance. When search maintenance and get these plugins, this look, and install this. Once install these plugins, then active. Maintenance mode plugins in active now. So we can check our website, that is regular website and on maintenance mode. So let's check our maintenance plugins. Maintenance plugins is here. So you can change headline, you can say page title, you can throw messages. Still will available soon, and thank you for your patience. Editing this site or input any text or any information for the customers, then you can save and changes. You send any message here for customer, and then check your website again, and it will update with your website and its maintenance mode almost. So let's go check our website. The site will be available soon, and thank for your patience. The maintenance mode is on. Thank you for being with us. Please subscribe our channel for next IT related update and video.